And now for our next adventure. All right, we got an oopsie. Hoist failed, ripped from the subframe, and decided to smashy some things. Exhaust, evap can, bunch of wiring. Yeah, I had a really bad day. So we're gonna go ahead, the condition of the subframe and hoist and all that, we're just gonna swap the subframe. Bed's in pretty decent shape. So we're gonna start by chopping this out, and then we're gonna drop the bed down, cut the bed free and pull the bed off, swap the subframe. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, so that didn't suck at all. She fell right out. Yeah, anyway, we got that out. Let's drop this bed and cut her free. All right, drop the bed off. Pretty simple, just rip the wiring out, cut the two hinges, picked her right off. So we're gonna go ahead and disassemble our hydro, cut all this crap off, and make sure this clears and rip that old subframe off. So yeah, let's get it. All right, subframe's off. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up and prep it for the new subframe. All right, subframe and hoist is on. Mounted up, welded up, ugly ass weld. Plumbed up, went ahead and mounted the hydro, and we're gonna go ahead and drop the bed. I got the bed prepped and ready to go, so let's drop it on and weld her up. All right, so I had a couple modifications. I had to remount this because it was too tall and too far forward, so got that remounted. My cross member was hitting, so I had to modify that a little bit to get that to fit, and I had to lower the back. Instead of this being up here, I had to drop it down there because it was hitting the bottom of the bed because it's the larger hoist. But she's all mounted up, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and mount our thing and wire it up. All right, got her all done, got all the wiring done, got everything hooked up, ready to go. Everything works. New mud flaps, and I gotta paint that. But I'm gonna paint that and put the license plate on, and then we are done.